Bonjour and bonjour everyone. I'm Maggie from the Fort Frances Library and welcome to this week's Craft Club tutorial. I wonder where Cody could be.
I'm here!
Oh my goodness. You scared me, Cody.
I'm sorry, I couldn't resist.
Well, I guess if you're here you can introduce yourself to everybody.
Okay! Hi everybody! I'm Cody, your friendly librarian's assistant. I get stuff for crafts and I make them too. I just love making crafts.
Speaking of stuff, Cody, what did you bring?
Oh, I was picking some leaves off the tree. I thought we would need them.
Ooh, you're so close, Cody. We're not going to be using leaves today, though. Here, I'll get those for you, Cody.
So what are we making today?
Today we're going to be making egg carton flowers inspired by Jackie Cravener on iHeart Arts and Crafts. I can't wait to paint these. They look like they're going to be a lot of fun.
Me too, me too.
I'm glad you're really excited about this, Cody. Maybe we can use the leaves in this art project. For now, let's get into the craft. Alrighty, so in this bag, you'll find one instruction sheet, 4 containers of yellow, white, blue, and red paint, 4 green pipe cleaners, 2 egg carton shells, 2 pom-poms, and 2 sheets of green paper. Some extra material you will need is some glue and a paintbrush. Set everything aside except for your paint, an egg carton shell, and your paintbrush. If you don't already have one, use a plate or a palette to put your paints on. You can either dunk your paintbrush into the paints or you can swirl it around on the paper plate. I'm going to use the paper plate because it will work a lot better. So just dunk your colors on there, and then you can start applying the paint onto the egg carton shells. There we go! So once you're all done painting, you can set it aside to dry so that we can move on to the next step. Make sure to take this time to wash your paintbrush, your plate, and your hands. Out of the 4 pipe cleaners, select the 2 colors that you like. We're going to be twisting them together in order to make the stem. There we go, all twisted. So we're going to show you 2 different ways to attach the stem to the paper. This way you actually use glue to apply it down the stem and onto the paper. This step actually allows you to poke a hole through the paper and then you bend it, and then that way you don't have to glue at all. I find this method to be really useful, especially when the glue doesn't stick. Alrighty, so open up your glue, take your paintbrush, and apply the glue all the way down one side of the pipe cleaner. Once it's all glued, stick it on the paper. Sometimes it takes a while for the glue to take hold, so just hold it there for a few seconds until it won't move anymore. If it doesn't stick, then you can actually apply it to the back of the egg carton. Place some glue in the grooves on the egg carton, or what you can do is you can stick it through the egg carton so that you don't have to glue it at all. If you do attach the pipe cleaner to the back, bending it will actually help it stick better to the egg carton shell. Then, once it's all glued, set it aside to dry. Alrighty, once that's dry, take your paintbrush, your glue, your pom-pom, your green paper, and your egg carton. Apply glue to the bottom of the egg carton. We're going to be putting it right on the sheet. If you decided not to glue the stem onto the egg carton or the paper, make sure you do that before you glue on your flower. There we go. Carefully flip it over and place it anywhere you'd like on the paper. I'm going to put it right at the top here. For extra security, you can glue the bottom of the pipe cleaner, or you could just leave it as is. What we're going to do is we're going to dip the pom-pom in the glue, and then we're going to put it onto the flower in the middle of the egg carton. Make sure to get lots so that it sticks better. Whoops, looks like my stem keeps falling off. If you keep having this problem, feel free to stick the pipe cleaner through the back and then bend it so that it won't move anywhere. I'm just going to secure it with extra glue just to make sure that it won't move anymore. Once it's all dry, take a green marker and then start drawing grass all over. You can also take other colored markers and draw flowers or bees or whatever you like. Make sure to wash your hands when you're all done the craft.
I'm all done! How'd you like the craft, Cody?
This was fun! I really liked how the colors blended together.
I'm glad you liked it, Cody. If you guys want, take a picture of your craft and send it to us on our Facebook page, or bring it into the library for us to display it.
Hey, could I do the advertisement today?
Yeah, sure, Cody. Go for it.
The library is bringing the TD Summer Reading Program back. We encourage you to sign up on their website at www.tdsummerreadingclub.ca. We'll be doing a lot of fun things with reading, so stay tuned and make sure to sign up.
Thanks, Cody. I hope a lot of you are readers because we have awesome prizes coming up with these events. Well, if we're all done that, let's sing the cleanup song. Are you ready? Clean up, everybody clean up, clean up, clean up. Let's all put our stuff away. All